chick and she just moved right up the block for me. She got the house for me, the finest thing my heart has seen. But oh no, no, she got a man and a son, no.
That's okay, cause I wait for my cue and just listen, play my position like a shortstop. Pick up everything, mommy, hitting it in no time. I bet I make this for him mine, that's for sure.
Cause I never been the type of break up a happy home, but there's something about baby girl, I just can't let her go. So tell me, ma, what's it gonna be? You said you don't know what you mean to me.